Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the new toggles and reworks in Dress to Impress on the latest update. There's only two, but the first one is the tennis hat visor. So it is now like see-through and you can color it two different colors. And there's one see-through and one isn't see-through if you don't want it, as you can see. But obviously the see-through option is still there. And then, sorry, the non-see-through option. And then the second one is in the VIP room. It is the skirt here. You can toggle it to the long default now, and it looks like this. But those are the two new toggles on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.